to the core, but I can guarantee we live better than you. Cash in our hands, dirt in our toes, and nothing but the sky in front of us. We are Hazard Company. Wondered when I'd see you around these parts.
Expecting me?
Course. Was looking forward to meeting the fabled off-road maniac Sean McAllister.
Yeah. Okay, look, I'm just here to race.
Yeah. But I can't take on every racer with a reputation, you know? Gotta make sure you can even keep up. How about make it to the airfield in a jiffy? That'll be the test. Show me all those stories about you weren't just tall tales.
Oh, they're not. Watch your luck.
You got fire, kid.
Crushed it.
That might be the fastest split time I've seen of this run.
I'm sure you're just saying that.
I don't blow smoke. I can see why the other crews had trouble. You're gonna have the time of your life with those though. You've never had races like the ones you're about to have.
After Free Ember Militia, I've seen more crazy than is possible.
Crazy, huh? We're meeting at my solar array next race.
Your solar array?
Yes, sir. Courtesy of the house. See you there.
First race with those house puppies. How's it going, Mac?
Weird, Ty. First impression of Holtzman? not an asshole.
What? Dude's in deep with the house.
I know. Threw me off too.
Sure, okay. Well, just keep an eye on him.
Yeah, I will.
This is gonna be a rough one. Stay wild out there, crew.
Just the way I like it. Hope you're all ready for this. All about those hard knocks. I know, I'm a jerk. Get back in the race, bro. Come on, let's go. That was on me. Can't let up now.